Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to make an interactive lesson using Nearpod. To start making this interactive lesson we have to enter to nearpod.com, and here you can see that there is a button here to sign in. I will click here. You can enter to this web page using Google Office or your email account. I will use my Google account. Once you've signed in successfully, it should take you into your Nearpod homepage here. Here in the home button, you can see some different options you can choose. For example, in My Library, you can see the presentations you already have. In Explore, you have some suggestions of templates you can use in your presentations. Join, you can write the code a person gives you to see his/her presentations. In Create, you can create a presentation, and in Reports, you can see the history of the activities of the interactive video, so we as teachers can see students' correct answers, students' errors, and we can also see charts which tell us how students are doing the activity. Okay, now I will click on Create to create an interactive lesson. And first of all, you have to write a title. For example, I will write Tutorial Nearpod. Okay, this is the title. Now you have to click on Add Slide here, and you have different possible sources for it. We can add new content, a web content, or an activity. Let's move to add content first. Here you have different sources or things to create. For example, slides, Nearpod 3D, simulation, VVC video, virtual reality, Sway, pictures, videos, audios, and slideshow of images. But let's try with slides first. You can create a slide. For example, you have to write a title, colors. You can also add text, videos, images, and GIF. I will add text. For example, revision. We can also add a picture. This one, for example, and this is your first slide. You can also add web content. For example, if you want to add a web page into your lesson, you have to copy the link of the video, for example, and you have to paste it here. Okay. And you have to click on Save. You can also add an activity. For example, here you have different types of activities. You can add a question, an open question. For example, you have to write here in this box the question. For example, what color is it? And here you can choose different options to include in the question. a picture, a video, an audio, a PDF, or a web content. I will choose a picture. For example, this picture, and you have to click on Save. This is another slide on your lesson, your interactive lesson. Okay, you can add again another activity. For example, you can add a draw. In this option, students can draw something you tell us to draw. For example, you have to add a reference. You can add a picture, a video, an audio recorder, a PDF, or a web content. I will add an audio recorder. For example, you have to draw a table using the following colors: red, brown, and purple. Okay, this is our reference, so you have to click on Save. So here you have the reference, and then students listen to it and draw the picture. Now we click on Save. Okay, and this is another slide. When you finish your lesson plan, your interactive lesson plan, you click on Save, and here you have to write the title, the level, and the subject. Okay, the level, I don't know, 4th grade, and the subject, language. Okay, now you click again on Save. Finally, you can make a live presentation, a live lesson. You click here, yes, and you have to give your students this code, so they can write this code on Nearpod webpage, and they can see the interactive lesson in your computers. For example, this is what students will see. And then they have to answer and draw. Okay, and this is all for today. Hope you enjoy this tutorial. See you.